I'm Stian. I'm here with our company Clever, and we're here to showcase our newly released rack-mountable battery charger for AA and AAA lithium-ion batteries. The basic idea is to solve the problem with disposable batteries in wireless microphones and in-ear systems. So we built a one-unit rack-mountable charger that pulls out like a drawer. It has 48 battery slots for AA or AAA. On the front display, you could easily see how many batteries are charged out of the total amount in the drawer. It has a network setting screen for daisy chaining network between chargers and to a desktop application. And the batteries themselves are not your regular 1.2 nickel metal hydride batteries. They're 1.5 volts, so your ballistics for your microphone will actually work this time. Please check out our website, klvr.no. klvr.no.